Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking about winding callas. They're so wonderful, twisted around. Previously, you saw how you can mold them and manipulate, but oftentimes that doesn't curve them enough to go inside of the container. A little trick. Take your knife and pare one side, pulling and pulling so that you remove one segment of the stem. Then discard that, you don't need it. And then it will curl tightly without kinking. Now it only works when it's done in a dish submerged. It won't work out in the air. It shortens the life too much, but inside winding, look how wonderful that is.